Good morning and welcome to the DAOscape, a new DAO tools linked with Freo's basic income. This morning I'm very happy I created a DAO for EducDAO. So you can see there are dao2learn. It's the first tool for EducDAO. I had to change the name of EducDAO because you have to create the name of the account when you are creating the DAO. And this morning at 4 o'clock in the morning I had the name of dao2learn. I think maybe it's a better name than EducDAO. You will tell me which one you prefer. So let's go to visit dao2learn. This is the home page of dao2learn, and I'm connected with on my PC with the onshore wallet. I've been using onshore on the Telos blockchain. There is a mobile app for onshore, and onshore can be used for EOS, Telos or Proton. So here I'm in my ChrisIkey account in onshore, and I can log out and connect again into the home page of the beta application of the DAOscape. So in a DAO, typically you need a list of members. Today we are only two guardians, Jérôme Artigue, who is a member of Freos and the DAOscape, and myself, ChrisIkey. And typically into DAO, people are doing proposals. So once you are a guardian, you can make new proposals by clicking on this small plus button, and you choose the existing smart contracts on the Proton blockchain. So those are all the different actions that you can do. So I can invite people, can delete file, so you use those actions to make a proposal, and you can link the proposal with the transaction. So I have 1,950 Freos into the treasury of the DAO today, and the dao2learn account can send any amount of tokens. Of course, I can send other tokens like snips of Proton token to another account with a memo. And when the proposal created with the actions will be voted by the members, then the proposal will automatically activate the transactions created in the treasury. You have all other items like NFTs. Like for students in the dao2learn, I've written a post to explain that a student which is joining dao2learn can create his own membership card. I made a small tutorial on DTube to explain how you can modify the basic EducDAO logo if you add your name and your account name, then you post it on a Hive post and you can earn your first reward. I do not have an English version of this tutorial yet, but I will probably do one. So by posting your membership card on Hive, you can earn your first reward to join the dao2learn DAO. In classic university, you have to pay fees to buy your membership card, and with the dao2learn university, you are rewarded when you post your membership card. So it will probably request several tutorials to learn how to use these tools with all the items. So there are two kinds of members, the guardians and the members. And today I'm looking for my first member. So maybe you want to be the first member of the dao2learn tool. You are welcome to join the DAOscape Telegram group at the DAOscape address. If you want to create your own DAO, then you have to join Freeos to earn a few Freeos tokens, and you have to pay 4,224 Proton tokens to create a new DAO, which is about $5. So it's very interesting. I'm the first person outside of the core team to have created DAO, and I hope many non-profit organizations will use this great tool to take decisions and to have a new Web3 organization, Web3 governance tool for their organization. Thank you.